Want to know how to count total files in a folder? So today we will be learning how to count all files in the folder just by using Java. So in this video, I'm just using a simple compiler to show you how the code is and how I can explain the code, but you need to use a enabled GUI application for it. So make sure you are on your computer. So what we do is we use the file class to point to a folder path and call it list file. So we have used it on the sixth slide, as you can see, that returns an array of all files and directories inside. By checking if the result is not null and using the as length, we get the total number of files. This is useful technique for file management, backups and monitoring folders. You can expand this code to filter only files, ignore directories, or even count files of a specific type like .txt or .jpg. Understanding how to handle files in Java is fundamental because most real-world applications need to interact with the system, read files or process data automatically. This small example teaches you object handling, array management and basic file operations in one go. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.